Hey guys, good afternoon. Andy here with Expert Renovation. So 3:15 in the afternoon. This was our 34 square XT25 3-tab roof. Had around 120 linear feet of 1x8 decking that had to be replaced. Seen some bad treatment from the pine trees. But this is the finished product, CertainTeed XT25s, Moray Black. Roof runner synthetic underlayment. We kept the galvanized mill finish drip edge. It was all in good condition. Replaced his vent stack for his heating and air. It was in bad shape. Shingle over ridge vents. And that's what it looks like. Guys are getting some of the final cleanup done. And this job's a wrap. So that's how we do it. Give us a call if we can help you out. 478-501-0102. Shingle Master certified. 10-year labor warranties and on-site job management. Please give us a call. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.